Thermodynamics is a branch of natural science concerned with the heat and temperature and their relation to energy and work. It defines macroscopic variables such as internal energy, entropy, and pressure that partly describe a body of matter or relation. It states that the behavior of those variables is subject to general constraints that are common to all materials, not peculiar properties of particular materials. These general constraints are expressed in the four laws of thermodynamics.
Hello everyone. Then I will give a description of the thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a physical science that studies the effect on material bodies and on radiation in the region of space, of transference of them and of work done on or by the bodies or radiation. In analyzes macroscopic variables such as temperature, volume, and pressure, which describe physical properties of material body and radiation, which in this science called thermodynamic systems. Historically, thermodynamics developed out of a desire to increase the efficiency of earthly steam engines, particularly some the work of French physicist Nicolas Leonard Canot, who believed that the efficiency of gas engines was the case that could help France win the Napoleonic War. Scottish physicist Lord Kelvin was the first to formulate a concise definition of thermodynamics in 1854. Well, in summary, the thermodynamics is the subject of the relation of heat to force acting between continuous parts of the body and the relation of heat to special electrical agents.
Thermodynamics is defined. Thermodynamics is related to temperature. It's defined for the basic laws of heat. Are four. Let's start with the first. The zero law says that if we have an object with a temperature and a second object with the same temperature like the first one, and if we add another object, a third object with the same temperature like the second object, the third will have the same temperature like the first one. So all the objects, the three objects, will be with the same temperature. So we can say that the closed system of the three objects are in thermal equilibrium. The first law, it says that the change of energy, the initial and the final energy, less the initial energy will be equal to the difference between the heat supplied to the system and the work done by the system. It's very useful to obtain the change of energy of a system, or just to know what is the amount of heat supplied to the system. The second law says and defines all the entropy. The entropy is related to the temperature, and it depends for the temperature. So it says like a hotter system, always we will transfer all the energy to a colder system. So if we have two systems with different temperature, suddenly the two systems will be in thermal equilibrium, like the zero law. The last law is the third law. It says like if the temperature approaches to the absolute zero, the entropy will approach to the minimum, not precisely zero, but less entropy than the initial entropy. So all the laws of thermodynamics are related to temperature. And it helps us to define all the things that happens in all the universe.
In daily life, you can see examples of thermodynamics. It can be matter for the core process. A common example of the pressure method is used in the book. As you can see, the head and pressure increases, but the volume is constant. And various process may be the ingredient of one another, priority then meter and person is immersed in steam. A steam is better and cold, but the pressure remains constant. And similar, and the meter process may be compressed or vented of an ideal gas. In permanent contact with a thermostat, this can be accomplished by placing the gas in thermal contact with another system, where a capacity and contains the pressure of the gas.
Study of relationship between properties of matter that depend the temperature is based on three laws are: first law of thermodynamics, energy can be converted from another but cannot create or destroy. Second law of thermodynamics, the entropy of the universe increases in a spontaneous process and remains constant in a process that is in equilibrium. Third law of thermodynamics, the entropy of a perfect crystalline substance is zero absolute, zero temperature. Thermodynamics allows to use the information obtained of the experiment of a system to draw conclusions about other aspects of the system without having to do more experimentation. Finally, I conclude by highlighting the importance of the balance of any system with us environment. The relationship is very important in all activities that take place in the universe, because once there is an imbalance, this will cause a mess and possible chaos in the system and its environment.
Laws of thermodynamics.
Está lloviendo, güey. Así se lo van a mandar.
My fender stretch sits all alone, collecting dust in the corner. I haven't called any of my friends.